Hello, this is a Made in the Makerspace Sandburg Library tutorial for cutting out letters and shapes on the Silhouette Cameo. On the computer in the Makerspace, open the Silhouette Studio from the desktop. This will open with a basic mat layout. This is our mat layout here. Mats and paper to use on the Silhouette Cameo can be found in the Makerspace near the Cameo machine. The Cameo is the black machine next to the first Makerspace computer inside the doors. Silhouette is the brand, Cameo is the type, so you might hear me use both of those phrases. You will want to lay out your desired paper inside this grid here on the mat. This on the mat will be sticky or tacky to help hold your paper down. To show this grid in Silhouette Studio if it is not appearing, click on View, Show Grid. This can help see how big your letters and images will be and how they'll be laid out on your paper. Now we're going to create what we want to cut out. To add text, click the A on the left side of the screen. Then click anywhere on your grid to type out your letters or words. To change the font style, highlight your words and change from the drop-down toolbar at the top just like you would in a Word document. Also, like in a Word document, you can resize using your toolbar up top again, or by manipulating your box on your mat. You can even move it if you know your paper is closer to the top of the mat. To add images, you can either drag and drop an image in that you've already saved to your device, to the device in here, or we have some images saved in the Silhouette library, and these are just some of the ones that we've used recently. To get back to what you were working on, click Design, and here we are again. And then just like text, you can manipulate the size of your images by dragging on the various points of the box. All items to be cut will need to be outlined in red. This outline shows where the machine is being told to make the cuts. To add cut lines, click on the image on the right that to me sort of looks like a butterfly. And then select Trace Area and drag and drop, or drag and create over your image. And I missed a little bit here, so I'm going to drag that. Now, since I don't want this big of a cut area, I'm going to say outline since I want the full arrow and trace outer edge. If you are ever unsure of where your cut lines are showing up, you can always go to Send, and in dark red, here you can see where the machine will cut. Again, to get back to what we were working on, we'll go to Design. Text created in the Silhouette Studio, like the cheer on the chargers, will automatically have a red outline showing where the machine will cut. Once your images and text look how you want, click Send in the upper right corner. In this Send screen, you can change your material type to reflect your paper type. We might not have exactly the paper types that are listed in here. Choose the closest, what seems the closest. For example, cardstock thin for construction paper. Then it will automatically fill in these things here, lay depth, force, all of that. You don't need to worry about any of that. Now it's telling me no media loaded. That means I haven't loaded my mat yet. That's okay. On the machine, you will line up the mat with, there's a little white line on the one side and then there's arrows along the top. You'll line it up with that, and then you will hit the up button to load the mat. Now it's showing me it's ready, and I can hit send. You may or may not get a message asking if it needs to be mirrored, but since it's how we want it, it does not need to be mirrored, so send as is. The cut or print should be relatively quick compared to some of our other Makerspace equipment. We will then unload the mat to peel off the image, and you should have your letters or images. If you need any help or have any questions, ask a librarian or email us at library@sandburg.edu.